The Filipino antonyms tapat and sinungaling. When we say tapat, it means honest in English. And when we say sinungaling, it means liar or dishonest. Tapat, sinungaling. Tapat, sinungaling. Hiling ko ay tapat na serbisyo mula sa kanila. I ask for sincere service from them. Hiling is like request or is like ask. And then ko is I, tapat is sincere or honest. Serbisyo is a service. Mula is from. And then kanila is them. Hiling ko ay tapat na serbisyo mula sa kanila. Ang isang sinungaling ay hindi mapagkakatiwalaan. A dishonest person cannot be trusted. Isa means one. Sinungaling is dishonest. Hindi means cannot or no. Mapagkakatiwalaan. Tiwala means trust. Mapagkakatiwalaan. Ang isang sinungaling ay hindi mapagkakatiwalaan. Tapat ako sa aking paniniwala. I am steadfast in my belief. Tapat means honest or steadfast. Ako is I. Akin is my. And then paniniwala is believe. Tapat ako sa aking paniniwala. Huwag mo akong tawaging sinungaling. Don't call me a liar or dishonest. Huwag means don't. And then ako is I. Mo is you. Tawag is like call. And then sinungaling is liar or dishonest. Huwag mo akong tawaging sinungaling. Tapat, again, it means honest. And sinungaling is liar or dishonest. Tapat, sinungaling. Tapat, sinungaling.